So good afternoon everybody. We have decided that we're going to have a pineapple party and a sweet corn party today in the playroom. Why not? Something to do while it's too cold outside. And pineapple is the best. And so is sweet corn. As you can see, Barney's tucking into it. Loving it. You alright there, Lola? Humphrey? And of course, Messy Big Albert is tucking into his sweet corn too. Nora's watching. And Rio is eating the pineapple. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Sweet corn. There's Lola. Humphrey. Albert with the sweet corn. Look at my messy big Barney. Lola up there. And Rio tucking into the sweet corn. Well, Rio can't make up her mind whether she wants the sweet corn or if she wants the pineapple. Decisions, decisions. Also, Rio is having fun with the Northern Parrots toy that we got at Christmas, and Rio absolutely loves any toys. And there is Nora, Lola, Humphrey, Barney and Albert all tucking in. So as you can see, we're all having fun in the playroom. Barney's having sweet corn and Lola's having sweet corn. I've hung the sweet corn up so she has to stretch and work out how to get to it. And she's loving that challenge, as you can see. And also Barney's got sweet corn in the dish. And as you can see, Rio's still wet and drying off from her bath, and so is Humphrey. And yeah, they're all having fun in the playroom, and in a minute you'll also see Nora having fun with the sweet corn too, and she was loving it too. So They've all had fun today with their sweet corn and pineapple. We've had a little sweet corn and pineapple party. Why not? And for once, Albert isn't being a piggy. He's letting everybody else have a turn. And here is Nora. She's going to have some time with the sweet corn. It's very unusual to see Nora playing in the playroom. She usually watches things. So her getting on with playing with the sweet corn and trying to eat it and get it down is very unusual. And it's really nice to see. Here's Humphrey, all dry. And here is Rio, just about dry. And there's Nora. She's thinking about it. Yep, she's going to do it. She's going to get into the sweet corn. And she's loving it. And it's nice to see her having fun in the playroom and enjoying her sweet corn. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video as much as my lot have enjoyed playing in the playroom and having fun with the sweet corn and the pineapple too, and just generally having fun. Thanks for watching. See you next time.